Hello, welcome back to another Parts Factory Australia installation tutorial video. Guys, I'm back out in a farm and I'm here working on this Toyota Hiace. Specifically, we're going to be changing the sun visor. Most Toyota Hiace commercial vehicle, so you can imagine the staff in the car, of course, being very rough, and of course what happens is they break. It is easier to just simply replace it. This isn't a how to fix, this is how to replace video. Guys, if you need this part, I have them available here at Parts Factory Australia. I think they're 88 bucks, free express post anywhere in Australia. Buy it, get it in your hand, and then yeah, of course, use this video to learn how to fit it. Let's jump into it. Alrighty guys, so as you can see, these visors are just held in by two Phillips head screwdrivers, or Phillips head screws. So, obviously this is your replacement one, and you can see that it is as simple as undoing those two Phillips head screws, pop it to the side like this, you just go bang. There is nothing else in there, guys. There's no wiring, no cables, so there's absolutely no risks associated with pulling this sun visor out, obviously. I'll just quickly whip it off for you so you can have a look. I just want you guys to imagine the amount of money you're saving doing this type of job yourself. If you consider the fact that a mechanic might charge you labor to fit this and upsell you on the part, that's what we're here all about here at Parts Factory, guys. We're here to save you money. Grab your two Phillips head screws and put them to the side. Now, we also include this clip in the kit at Parts Factory. A lot of the time, what's actually wrong is this clip in here loses its spring, and basically this constantly pops out and it can be quite annoying for the driver, distracting on the road as well. So yes, we also include that in the kit from Parts Factory. Now, obviously this is where you grab your new one, rip it out of its package. As you can see, there are a few different types of material, etc. But at the end of the day, grey is grey, guys. So if you're looking for a replacement sun visor, you're not as fussy as worrying about the type of vinyl, etc. You should be right to just go ahead, purchase it online, and obviously install it as intended. So to get it in, you want to grab that clip, just straighten it up without breaking it, just like so. So it's kind of like halfway in and out, if you know what I mean. And then you just grab that little Phillips head, start it with your hand, and then you can swap, bring your screwdriver up, and yeah, as you can imagine, tightening it up. It's looking nice though, isn't it? It's always good having new interior installed in your car or your workhorse or whatever. Keeps everything fresh. Grab your second screw. Of course, you can just now put it up into the hole, and then you can actually just grab the visor, swing it out of your way. I know at this stage you can't see. Just lining it up with the hole, obviously. And of course, tightening both up. Like so, clipping it back into place. Now at this stage, obviously you'll have your new clip, so go ahead and put that in as well. As you can tell, it's all pretty easy, guys. Look at that. It's also, see how that clip's allowing that visor to come out? That's the type of thing I'm talking about with our replacement kits. So yes, our kits also do include that, which is good news for you. Alrighty guys, yeah, that's literally it. I can't really say anything further. Don't forget, if you do need this part, links in the description of the video. So you just click on the title, it'll pop down, click on the link, order it, get it to your door, fit it, like and subscribe. You never know when this channel is going to come in handy, guys. This is what we're all about here at Parts Factory, helping you save money and do your own repairs. Thanks for watching. See ya.